Welcome to NKE Austria, your manufacturer of premium glass bearings. We offer tailor-made bearing solutions with low minimum order quantities, fast lead times and an attractive price-performance ratio. Our bearings are used in a wide range of applications, such as gearboxes and generators for wind turbines, railway gearboxes and traction motors.
Our process starts with a deep material analysis, but not only with the raw material, if not also during the main steps of our suppliers. We have a high flexibility with our machine to produce different kinds of bearings according to the necessities of application of our customers. Our dynamic method of organization project is one of the key points in our organization. We can manage the project's lead times according to the customer necessities. Our individual traceability in our products permit us to have the control of all of the dimensions, all of the parameters of our bearings, and to assure the quality to our customer according to the necessities of the applications.